Take a ride in the 2019 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, overhead console. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.